This is a beautifully restored 1949 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, a true icon of post-war American design. Originally imported from the U.S. to Sweden in 1992, it underwent a full restoration in Sweden, carefully returned to its original specification. It retains its original inline-six engine paired with a column-shifted, 3-speed manual transmission, just like it left the factory. The result is a truck in outstanding condition, with an excellent finish and great attention to detail. Today, it's increasingly difficult to find early pickups restored to factory original condition like this. Now for sale in Sweden, this Chevrolet 3100 is offered to the global market. With over 20 years of experience in international classic car transactions, we will assist you with the full purchase and shipping process, whether you're in Europe, North America, or elsewhere. If you're looking for a turnkey, show-ready classic with timeless appeal, this is your opportunity to own a rare and beautifully preserved piece of Chevrolet history.